Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Asị m ka nke echikwelu ya zelu. Anyị si ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ. Mmiri atara m azụ anwụra. Asị ọ dịrị mma na eke, dịrị mma n'orie, fọzara mma n'afọ, fọzara mma na nkwọ, ụzọ ahịa anọ nke ndị Igbo ji biri. Asị na ya dịra n'Igbo na mma o. Ise, ise, ise. Dịka o si dị ka agbapụ na ya ọsọ igosi na ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Na tupu anyị aga n'igosi na ya bụ ife, ọ bụla nke a bụ ụbọchị izu gị. Ị na-ejete afọ channel aya n'Igbo akwụkwọ ka baro ka like and subscribe o. Tinyekwa kọmentị, share ekwe ya, tụsa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnne anyị dị n'ebe dị iche iche wee na ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo a. Dịka o si dị, ihe wetara unu tata bụ nnukwu update dị oke mkpa. Mma nchọ ka onye ọbụla misie ya. Mma nchọ ka ị ga ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi ya bụ ife wetara unu pasta maka ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. And were ndị Igbo na-azọ drọpụra your own comment n'ihe a nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ dị oke mkpa ka anyị mara ife iche n'ụdị nke gị. All right, over to you, sir.
Nigeria government says that Simon Ekpa has absconded into thin air, you know, after an allegation that a very prominent Biafran, Gaius Chibuike, donated over 10 Bitcoin, which is around $750,000. Now, this man has been quiet for a while now. I mean, more than ever. Simon Ekpa has been away for like going to 4 days now, you know, and I mean, we are beginning to suspect maybe there could be an iota of truth. What's the reaction?
Now, federal government of Nigeria is licking their wounds because they don't know where to hold Simon Ekpa again. They are just playing to the gallery, trying to come out with cock and bull stories. Is it Gaius Chibuike that actually told them this secret? Because if Gaius Chibuike could donate money to Simon Ekpa, it should be a very, very sensitive, you know, information. Let me call it one of the classified informations that is not needed revelation. How did Chibuike do it? By revealing this high-class information to the federal government of Nigeria. Or how did someone in Igbo land do it to have brought this kind of sensitive information to the government of Nigeria? I'm telling you that they have started their basket mouth, their government arrangement, as fella sang. Government arrangement, then go turn blue to white. Government arrangement black, then go turn them to white. My brother Nee, I see Simon Ekpa doing well. He's trying to obstruct the psychology of the Nigerian military forces, comprising the police, the soldier mostly, trying to throw Nigerian politicians into this kind of psychological, you know, punishment. They have been thinking and thinking Simon Ekpa's whereabouts for 4 days now, and they could not come out with good answer or solution where Simon Ekpa might be. So that's why they are trying to cook all manner of stories, linking it to Simon Ekpa absconding into where, which place, with how much. $700,000, is that the money they know? Because Nigerian politicians are thieves. That's why they are thinking to that angle. They are thieves. They think that Simon Ekpa will do what they do. They always do to Nigerian people by absconding with $700,000. Well, how much is $700,000 to Ndigo? Politicians should own it up this time around that they are the problem that Nigerian nation has. See, now they have. I just want to give you small, you know, let me say, information. See, they have read the budget. How many trillion? Let us wait and see. The next 12 months, if we could fill that money, they have read in the past. I mean last year, January. They read the budget, annual expenditure we are now. They use it for what? Expenses of governance in Nigeria. That money is sunk down in government. A government that is full of inefficiencies. Where is the budget? That is how to start. We have many agencies that can come out now and broker it down for us how the money was utilized by this current government. The money they read as budget annual expenditure. How many months ago? Where is it? They are trying to read another one. Where is it? Ababio is busy sharing money in the house. The paddle project was chaired. Have you forgotten? Ababio got in more than 500 million naira. As a senior lawmaker, have you forgotten in a haste? I said it, I discussed it, I analyzed it. It has come to another angle now. The money is going. And they're now pointing accusing finger at EKPA. If EKPA absconded with $800 million contributed by Chibuike Bitcoin chief, contributed by Obi Kubana, contributed by Obi Jackson and those youthful billionaires in Igbo land, does it concern you? Is that Nigerian money? That is money that the Igbos are making for themselves, by themselves. I don't know whether you understand me.
Yeah.
Why accusing EKPA of that money? Is that money belonging to federal government? Is that money belonged to state government? Does it concern you? Maybe you don't want Igbo man, you do not include Igbo man in any administration that comes and go. It was Yoruba, Fulani, Yoruba, Fulani, Yoruba. Allow Igbo man, allow Simon EKPA to do his business now. Even at all, if he has come with money, we like it. I'm an Igbo man. Yes. He did it as a result of what he's going through during this agitation of Biafra.
You know, the Nigerian government are doing everything possible to probably, pollute the minds of those
the Biafrans.
Those
people that
because
believe in him.
in the recent time has been receiving massive support. So they are doing everything to, pollute their mind.
And it's not enough because they should craft it more. They should garnish it. They should at least season it with more sauce so that it will look more admirable and delicious for consumption. I can't digest such insult from federal government of Nigeria, thinking that they can pollute our mind from believing Simon EKPA and all his cronies that are agitating for Biafra. Don't you know that any Igbo man you've seen on the street of Lagos, Abuja, anywhere, even in the house, might be pretending not to support EKPA? Why they are doing that? They are doing that because it is our country. We are Biafran people. See, manage this expenditure among you, chair it, give contract, take 60%, allow the project undone, implemented. I don't know where I'm going, but allow Biafra be, allow EKPA, allow Nnamdi, allow them. Eat your money, still the commonwealth of the people, because you have the police and the soldier, even ICPC and the EFCC, they are all with you. You are busy chasing the flies, Yahoo boys, arresting them, disaliving many, incarcerating many, giving them 100 years, while you at the top are stealing money that belongs to all Nigerians in billions. EFCC is not chasing after you. ICPC is not questioning you. Police doesn't want to know. But all these boys on the street that are earning a living from what? Internet, chasing our bozo, cricket, low cost, ants. You are arresting them, collecting $5, $10, even $1 million. Does it worth it? You that is in the federal level, stealing money. Do you know what it means? To dip your hands inside public force in America. Taxpayers' money in the USA. Do you know what will happen to you? You are busy blaming EKPA of absconding with $700,000. Thank you. I would like EKPA to take that money because EKPA has been suffering. He's trying. The Igbo is supposed to be paying EKPA salary. So you are trick and you are, psychological welfare or distraction is not distractive enough. Yes, it's not distractive enough to the Igbos like us. You are just giving us small thing, you know me, but I promise you, federal government of Nigeria, if EKPA abscond with such amount, we have 6 million people like EKPA, so resilient like EKPA, more industrious like Simon EKPA. They are coming to replace him. It is not a tasteful story. It is a very, very repugnant, very, very distasteful, repulsive story. We don't buy into your what? Mind teasing, mind puzzle, psychological, whatever you call it. We are the boss and we know what we are doing. Someone should go with that money. Good, should go. Should go. We're okay. Someone that will replace him is coming.
Okay, Alex Oti, yesterday also, alluded to the fact that Simon Ekpa and his boys are not the ones terrorizing the Igbo land.
Thank you. The
He has
politicians.
come out to say that the Nigerian politicians, most of them who are just seeking for political positions, are the ones financing these terroristic agencies.
Yeah, do you know
who
what?
are masquerading as, maybe Biafrans.
Yes.
But
Do you know what? Anduba was actually among. Purpose of the man should be at the front line. Ifeanyi Oba, you see the disease Ifeanyi Oba, he is. Rochas Okorocha.
Don't forget the deputy speaker one time said he will take over Abia.
Carlo, yes.
Could it be that his hands are involved?
This Carlo was talking bullshit. The same deputy speaker from Abia State, he is. Peter Mba of Enugu State, who actually set ablaze that Labour hopeful, Governor hopeful of Enugu State during the pre-gubernatorial election ritual preparation. He was disallowed. They set the young man ablaze. Peter Mba is dangerous. See, let me tell you, Alex Oti will later be respected in Nigeria. Look at his statement. It is right. All the political components, all the opponents and the components, all of them constitute nuisance, trouble, bloody trouble, crisis in the southeastern Nigeria. Not the youths, not Simon Ekpa. They are the one. What Biafrans are after is leaving now they can let us stage you. The meaning of stage, you don't know the meaning when somebody say we go stage you. Leave these people, let them stage you. Go after Anduba, Ifeanyi Oba, go after Peter Mba, Benjamin Kalu, Deputy Senate Speaker. Go after them. Do you know how many people Akpabio, not allegedly, disallowed, demised when he was governor of Akwa Ibom State? You know that Akwa Ibom do you know what they said Akpabio? Before you wake up, the election is done. That was when he actually lost the other, the first coming of, I think, Buhari's election. Because they hurt him.
Let us not use the word allegedly.
Allegedly, anyway.
It has not been proven.
Anyway, allegedly, he disallowed many. They allege that he killed many people. Let me use the word kill because he's under allegation. That's a Akpabio you are seeing. His hands are soiled with blood. I don't really understand. So, it is the political opponents in the southeast that constitute bloody crisis on that region. And everybody's thinking is the IPOB is a Simon Ekpa. It's a lie. Go to southeast now, you see business going normal. All those youths eating, transacting, dancing. You see Okada, they are making money. Some of them are building houses. Go to newspapers. They are celebrating, doing their normal business. Then nobody is stopping them. There's no Yaloja. There is no Aboro. Aboro, they're there to collect tolls, to generate revenue for Anambra government. Yeah. That is what they are doing there. Nobody is fighting each other. It is the politicians. It happened that they actually conspired against Akunyili family because Akunyili actually said the truth during Yaradua regime. And Akunyili was disallowed through high-profile assassination. They used that sickness against her. Then again, went after her husband, Professor Chika Akunyili, and they actually succeeded. So now IPOB go kill that man. You know that we later find out that it was federal agents.
This issue of oppositions setting up terrorism or using unrest to unseat the
political opponents
is familiar with the era of Jonathan.
Yes,
you remember? I think this we can want to allude this to APC because we remember how there was so much kidnapping here and there, bomb blast, all in the bid to unseat.
Yes.
I mean, could we say because APC is not making inroads into Southeast?
APC
Or what do you think?
They have no place there,
And
yeah,
don't
because
forget Benjamin Kalu also is in APC.
he's in APC and he has vowed to take over the whole Abia and don't sit Alexoti. He's among the people that are orchestrating trouble, bloody crisis in the southeastern Nigeria. That's why he's among the 4 names I mentioned. He's at the forefront of the people I mentioned as people that orchestrate, that kind of bloody dastard acts in the southeastern Nigeria. Benjamin Kano is among them. Allegedly, he says so and so thing. Even not allegedly, because we heard what he said when they almost set his house ablaze.
What did he say?
He said something, the camp, ID camp, then again, bringing Islamization. He was in support of Hope Uzodinma's suggestion to, allow Igbo man to marry Fulani to marry Igbo, even to bring them to settle in Imo State. He was among them. I don't know what I understand. There is something again that he said that is more sensitive than what I said now, that made the youth to go after him and his compound. So, after that, you find out that he's silenced. He become mum. He kept his mouth shut. Because that place, they have political opponents and they have Biafrans that are monitoring them. None of them that cause turbulence in the southeastern Nigeria that will go scot-free. The land of that region will go after them. So what I'm trying to say is better than if I buy in Nnewi, is against the law of Anambra land. I know you want to say that, but I'm trying to interject or digress because I know it's a topic that is ahead. Better if I Oba is against Igbo culture. Why? What he did to his brother is bad. In Igbo land, you don't betray your brother. Muna wanne mujeli panku na abweze uoma. Pasianku uchezo wanne nkemo urioma. When I went to fetch firewood with my brother in the forest that belongs to the king, after fetching the firewood, I left my brother and went my way. That is betrayal of the highest order. And there's another music I can relate to that as well. Muna wanem jela abirego so person lelan. Muna wanem jela abirego Mr. X lelan. I don't want to mention the Mr. name. Do you know what I'm singing? I went to war to fight my enemy with my brother. Because of money and bribe, my brother sold me off to the enemy. I don't know what I understand. That is what is going on in Nnewi right now. He sold us to the enemy. We went to the war with our brothers, and our brothers sold us off to the Fulanis. That is the meaning of what is causing ripples, serious one, if not bloody one, at Nnewi axis of Anambra State.
So my people,
and by ekenekweni muno edikono si wapụta oge unu igekwa ya bụ ife nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa eji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, ana gbasịta maka nwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ, ana gbasịta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ladies. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'udo nke gị asị gị kwuo, ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o ji dịbe njọ ọ ya adịkwanụ mma. Ọkwụ na ọtụ ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nkwu n'ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ, ikwucha ya bụ ife kapa arụsie ya, kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị, daalụ dị nne na ụmụnne m kpọma na-ege ntị. Anyị na-ekene ndị nnekunu si na-esoyere anyị, esiri ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.